A smart and dashing father and son team was spotted at the Rabindra Sarovar, Kolkata in full birding gear by the Cinema for a Cause team. Nizar, the handsome father, and Zohaib, the nature-loving son. Nizar Virani, an imaginist, a progressive thinker, and a successful businessman dealing in footwear, which brings comfort and fitness to people. Bird watching is a passion for Nizar, and Sunday mornings are usually spent on the field in nature's harmony, bird watching. Nizar has been blessed with some of the rarest of rare sightings, like the Wilson storm petrel, a first ever record from West Bengal. Zohaib, a progressive and righteous young boy, a student of Standard 7 of La Martiniere for Boys, Kolkata, who plays table tennis, cricket, football, and he also loves bird watching, which is a hobby which Zohaib really enjoys. We had Nizar and Zohaib, the cool father and son combo, in front of our camera at Rabindra Sarovar.
I am Nizar and I am into a profession of business of my own. Bird watching is a huge passion, and I've been doing it for the past 4 years now. And it's just something which keeps me really happy, makes me really happy.
Zoe Pirani, I am from La Martiniere for Boys School in class 7, and I like coming to Rabindra Sarovar because the habitat and environment attracts me here, and I like to see different species of birds.
I use a Canon 600D and I use a 150-600 Sigma lens. Helps me in taking pictures from a distance and keeping the birds also happy. I have been blessed and I've been fortunate enough to see some very rare birds, rarest of rare to be honest. In fact, last year I saw a couple of birds which were seen for the first time at the lakes. One was the lesser cuckoo and the other one was the western crowned warbler. So both of them I've been blessed to be the first person to see them. And we've had amazing sightings here. In fact, we've had some India records here. So Rabin, we are really blessed that in the middle of a city, we have a place like this where you get to see so many birds, different types of species, biodiversity. It's really truly awesome. We're really blessed.
Bird watching is a very good hobby and I totally enjoy it. Yes, who are interested in nature, who love nature and want to do bird watching, they should do bird watching.
Yes, I do go to suburban side of the city where you get to see some very, very rare birds. Like we have places like Chintamani Bird Sanctuary. Then we have Shamkola. We have places like even Victoria Memorial and with the botanical gardens. And then if you venture further a bit more, you can go to places like Bosipota. So yes, we do have a lot of places around Kolkata where you can do birding. Think good for all. I think that's important. You need to look at the macro. You need to think good for everybody, the biodiversity, even the people, everybody here. So I think when we look at the big picture, the macro picture, then things work right.
Everyone has to have a positive state of mind and be positive of spotting that bird. and refrain saying negative words of saying like we will not be able to spot. They should always have a positive state of mind of saying that we will spot that bird in Rabindra Sarovar.